Welcome. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to work with the new design features in the Android system that came with the version number 35 of the API, which is the edge-to-edge feature, which is only that with the edge-to-edge feature we can draw behind the status bar and the navigation bar. In fact, we can draw in the entire screen. So now the entire screen is available for us to draw on. But first, let me create a new project. This is E2E, and this is a Java project. So finish and exclude folders. Yes. I need to set the Java version here because I have one install that it's different from the Android system. Here, settings and build tools Gradle. This is Java version 17. Okay, now I can sync the project again. And I'm going to start by deleting all of the elements in the project that I don't need, like this method, and I am not going to use navigation, so I can get rid of all of this. I need to just replace this with a lambda and remove this code. I don't need a snack bar here, so now I can delete these fragments, this and this, and now I need to remove its layout file, and remove navigation and run this project. I don't need content main. All of my views are going to be in this file. There is an error. Let me go here and set these to compact view, and I don't know what happened. I'm going to set its content description to remove this error message or this warning, and this is main action. Now I need to create this resource, values, strings. I need to remove all of this. I don't need it, and duplicate this line and set the name of the new string, action main. Now I can close this and move this emulator to its own window and placed here. Let me run this up again. So this series, probably a couple of videos. In the first video, I'm going to create the RecyclerView and all of its elements, all of its rows, all of its data. And next, which is going edge to edge, I'm going to show you how you can work with the RecyclerView and this animation yeah, I'm going to show you how to create the Gmail app. So this is what I'm going to build. This is the Gmail Android app. and this is only a list of messages. The interesting thing here is that they are using the edge-to-edge a new feature in the Android system. And as you can see, as I scroll up, you can see there's a screen with certain transparency. And as you can see, we can this is a see-through. We can see the elements in my list in the background, which means that we are drawing the list behind the status bar in this case. And if you see at the bottom is happening the same thing, the list is behind the navigation bar, and there is a transparency that let us see through. The other interesting thing of this app is in the toolbar. As you can see, when the user start sliding his finger going upwards, which means the list is scrolling down, you can see that the toolbar starts moving and disappears at the top edge of this phone. And it doesn't matter how far the user scrolls up. When I start scrolling down again, the toolbar reappears and start sliding down. This is what we are going to build. So I'm going to start by creating my recycler view, and I'm going to place this recycler view here. I need it to be match parent and match parent, and ID. This is recycler. Remember that the coordinator layout extends frame layout, which placed its views like a stack, one on top of each other. And the first element, in this case the recycler view, is going to be at the bottom. Then the app bar layout is going to be above the recycler view, and finally the float in action button is going to be on top of all the of the material toolbar and the material tool, the app bar layout and the recycler view. And now I need to create my data provider class. So here, new class, Java class, data provider class. This class will give us the list. This is the data for the recycler view. This is a final class. Here I need the constructor, code, generate constructor, and this is a private constructor. And now I public static list of recycler view item. This list is equal to new array list back. Data. I need to create here a list. List of recycler view items. New list. Now I can return this list. Return list. And I need to create this class. So here, copy, paste, new class, recycler view item. And this is an abstract class, public abstract class, RecyclerView item. Here in it, this class represents every row in the list in the RecyclerView, and for this the adapter class needs to know what type of row is. In this case, my rows can be of type title, message, header, footer, and error, and you will know why. So let me create here a type. So int type. This is public int type abstract. Now I need to create an enum class. Enum, this is an item tag. And this is can be of type title, message, and error. Now I need here the value, private int value, and this is equal to 4, and you'll see why. So I need my constructor, generate constructor value. Now I need set constructors here. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm returning at 4. I mean, if there's an error, or there is any eventuality, I'm going to return an error. So this is why this is number 4. Now I need to get public int get value. This is equal. This is return value. There it is. And now I need to create my types. Here. This is item. I need to import this class, test, and this is item. I need message, item type, add Java class. This is a title, item type, class, header item type, and footer item type. So there is an error. Item type. here I need to get type private. I mean, that's public abstract, get type. Now I need to implement to extend this class, extends RecyclerView item type. I need to implement to override this method. So here in my in this case I need private end. This is private final. Let's make these classes immutable. So private final in type. And this is equal to RecyclerView item type dot this is an error dot get value, and now I can return type. I'm going to copy this, so this extends, paste in my footer, and format my header. Title type. In my message, now I need to change the error item type. This is return error. This footer item types return footer. Header returns header. Message returns a message, and title items returns title. Let me close all tabs and let me start again. So error returns an error, footer returns a footer, header returns a header, message returns the message, and title returns title. Close all tabs. Now here in my title I need private final string. This is a title. Now I need here my constructor code, generate constructor title. Okay. Now I need a getter for the title. Node generate a getter title. And my message here I need this is the title, the subtitle, the body, and the sender. Private final string, and this is the title. Here I need subtitle. Here I need the body, and sender. Now I need a constructor, generate constructor, body, sender, subtitle, and title. Okay. I need an ID for this, so let me get this, and this is ID. Private final ID. Let me start again. Title, subtitle. There's no subtitle. It's title. Title, the body, and the sender. So go generate constructor, body, in, sender, and title. Okay. Now I need getters. Code generate getters, body, int, sender, and title. And in my header, I don't need nothing here. It's the same for the footer. The same goes to the footer. And the error item here, I need a message. Private final string message. I need my constructor code generate constructor, and I need a getter here. Code generate getter. Now I can go back here in my data provider, and I need the data. For that I need to copy this. This is our RecyclerView item. This is RecyclerView. This is a title. No, this is title item type. Title item type. This is message item type. Message item type, and message item type. Now I need here my ID, so names count. This is equal. Now message item type. Let me take a look at its constructor again. Message item type. This is the body ID. I think this is wrong. I need to move the body here. ID, title, body, and sender. This is the ID, title, the body, and the sender. My data provider. Body, this is wrong. The title in the beginning. I need to move this ID here, title. Body and the sender. Same goes here. Body and sender. Just here. Now I need to go. Now I can populate my recycler view. For that, I need to create the adapter and its holders. So I'm going to start with its holders. This is going to be a title holder. This is a holder for the title element. So this is this class extends RecyclerView dot view holder. Create constructor matching super. I need to create the layout first. So here in the layout, create new layout resource, and this is title. RecyclerView title. RecyclerView message. RecyclerView title, message, and header. Footer and the error. So now I can go here to my title, and my title I need here a text view. This is 100 dps and 100 dps, and this is the message. No, this is the title, right? This is the title, and I don't need this. I'm gonna set this padding to 12 dps, and the text size 16, and text style bold, and I think that's it. Now I need the error, which is exactly the same, so let me copy this and paste it here. But this is the message, and I think this text color of this is add color error. I'm going to add a few colors here. So the colors, and I'm going to replace these colors here. So now this is color error, and now tile error, the footer, that is This is a view, plain and simple. This is a match parent, match, and this is wrap content, and I need right, the namespace here and here. So let me import the namespace. This is its background is no, I think that's all I need for this view, and the footer is the same, so let me copy this. Now I need the message. A text view, 100 dps and 100 dps. This is the sender. So ID. This is sender. Now I need the title, and I need the body, and let me move this here and here. This needs to be constrained to its parents left, bottom, and top. And no, this needs to be constrained to this, and this needs to be constrained to the top of this element, and this to the bottom of this, and this needs to be constrained to this and this, and to the right of its parent, and to the top of its parent, and to the bottom of its parent. So now I can constrain this to wrap content, format. I need to remove the tools I'm not using, so now this is fill its entire width. What is this? This is I'm gonna set this to 42 dips, and this one too. And now I need to set this to fill the remaining space. This is our wrap content. This is wrap content too. Now I need to set the background of this element, and for that I need to create a drawable resource file, and this is background, blue circle, And this is shape. I need here a solid color. This is blue, and I need here corners. The radius is 250 dips. Close this and reset. There it is. So the background of this element is that circle. Add drawable blue circle, and now I can go. I think that all of the elements are already defined, so let me go back to my activity to create my RecyclerView item. So here I need to create here the title holder. Here I need a private final this is a title holder, title binding. So RecyclerView title binding, and I need a constructor for this. So there it is. So I need here this in my constructor. Now I can set binding dot get root and set this binding equals to binding. Title folder, and here I need a bind method. Public bind. Here I need a RecyclerView. RecyclerView. What is it? A title holder. RecyclerView. RecyclerView. What is the name of this? RecyclerView title item type. I think I need to refactor this. Refactor. Rename. RecyclerView item type. Message item type. Factor. Name. This is RecyclerView message.